Oddity Odyssey channel, where science is both good and interesting. Dear friends, in the 4th century BC, ancient Greek scientists believed that the Earth was the center of the universe. The stars and other celestial bodies in outer space all revolved around the Earth. But as science and technology developed, humans could see further into outer space. That was when we realized that Earth is just an extremely tiny world compared to the Valar universe. Today, in the series exploring the records of the universe, let's delve into the stars to answer the questions. Which are the largest, heaviest, brightest, or hottest stars that humans have ever known? Enjoy watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the Oddity Odyssey channel and turn on the bell to always... Now, let's go explore. A star is an astronomical object, described as a luminous sphere of plasma in space. Of course, the closest star to Earth is the Sun, which is the most important energy source for life on Earth to exist. Through decades of observing and researching the universe, scientists estimate that there are about 10 to the power of 22 to 10 to the power of 24 stars in the observable universe, meaning approximately from 100,000 billion billion to 10 billion 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 stars, but most of them we cannot see. So, with what we have observed, what are the records about stars up to the present time? Let's go find out together. The largest star in the universe. Largest. Look at our Sun. It is the star at the center of the solar system, with an average radius of 696,340 kilometers, about 109 times the radius of Earth. This is the largest object in the solar system, and it is taken as the standard size to compare with other stars in the universe. So, what is the largest star that humans have discovered up to now? Yes, it is a star named Stephenson 2-18. This is a red supergiant star, located in the direction of the Scutum constellation. According to scientists' records, the star has a radius about 2,150 times that of the Sun, meaning its radius is about 1.497 billion kilometers. You didn't hear wrong, this is an extremely large star, the largest compared to any stars discovered up to the present time. If we place the Sun near this star, our Sun would only be a small yellow dot next to the giant star. And if you had a magic trick to replace our Sun with this star, its radius would expand to reach the aphelion point of Saturn. At that point, Jupiter and the inner planets would lie entirely within the star's interior. As for light wanting to travel around the star, it would take at least 8.7 hours to accomplish that. Therefore, considering the size of stars in the universe that have been recorded, Stephenson 2-18 has become the largest star known to humanity. With a spectral type of M6, although it has the largest size in the universe, Stephenson 2-18 has a rather cool surface. Its surface temperature is only about 2,900 degrees Celsius, much lower than the approximately 5,500 degrees Celsius surface temperature of the Sun. Therefore, the brightness the star emits is only about 437,000 times the brightness of the Sun. As for distance, scientists have measured that Stephenson 2-18 is about 20,000 light-years away from Earth. Therefore, you cannot see it with the naked eye in the sky. You need specialized equipment to observe it. The heaviest star in the universe. Similar to the size of stars, the mass of stars is also measured by scientists using the standard unit of the Sun's mass to compare with other stars in the universe. As of now, the title of the heaviest star in the universe ever discovered is awarded to the star B 1899-98 located in the Large Magellanic Cloud region. This means it does not belong to our galaxy. According to estimates, the star's mass is about 226 times that of the Sun, and it is packed into a sphere with a radius 37.5 times that of the Sun. With this size, it is also classified as a supergiant star. Through observation, the star has a spectral type of WN6H. With this spectral type, it is a super hot star, Its surface temperature can reach up to 44,700 degrees Celsius, about 8 times the surface temperature of the Sun. Thus, the star has a terrifying brightness, about 5 million times the brightness of the Sun. Of course, with this brightness, it is not the champion of brightness in the universe. Since it is 165,000 light-years away from Earth, despite its immense brightness, you cannot observe the star with the naked eye because it has an apparent magnitude of 13.38. With this apparent magnitude, you can only see it when using specialized telescopes. The brightest star in the universe. With star B1899-98 having a brightness 5 million times that of the Sun, it is not the brightest star. This shows that the champion of the brightest star could be much brighter, and it belongs to a sibling in the same region. That is the star R136A1. This is also a star located in a large Magellanic Cloud, and of course it does not belong to our Milky Way galaxy. You're wrong, that is the actual brightness measured by scientists. With this brightness, if you placed our Sun next to it, you certainly wouldn't. The reason R13601 has such great brightness is because it is clad in a spectral type of WN5H. With this spectrum, it has a surface temperature of up to 45,700 degrees Celsius, about 8.3 times the surface temperature of the Sun. Additionally, it possesses a size that is not small either. Its radius is about 39.2 times that of the Sun. Its mass is 215 times that of the Sun. With this mass, it is the runner-up in terms of mass among stars up to the present time. Through this, we can see that the Large Magellanic Cloud region holds two champions in brightness and mass. Not only that, in this region, many other super bright stars have been discovered, and it is considered one of the most active regions outside the Milky Way galaxy. The hottest star in the universe. Among star metrics, surface temperature is perhaps the most daunting factor. Our Sun has an average temperature of about 5,500 degrees Celsius, but compared to other stars in the universe, it's extremely cool. The star holding the temperature record is WKR 102, with a recorded temperature of about 210,000 degrees Celsius, equivalent to 209,726 degrees Celsius. This temperature is approximately 38 times that of the Sun's surface, creating a harsh environment. If it replaced the Sun, life on Earth would be incinerated instantly. Scientists assess this as an extremely rare star of the WKR02 spectral type. It has highly evolved and is nearing the supernova explosion stage. Nevertheless, it's clearly a special object and precisely a star. Interestingly, its size is quite modest. S radius is only about 52% of the Sun. Observed from Earth, the star lies in the direction of the Sagittarius constellation, about 9,400 light-years away from us. Thus, it belongs to our galaxy. At this distance, it has an apparent magnitude of 14.1, invisible to the naked eye. Scientists estimate that WKR 102 might become a supernova in about 1,500 years. The outcome of this explosion will create a nebula. It can be said that all the stars mentioned are very special. They are records for the largest size, heaviest mass, highest brightness, and hottest temperature in the universe known to humanity so far. These records could soon be broken as scientific observation continues to advance. Let's wait and see which stars will surpass them in the future. So today, Top V and you have together explored the amazing records of the universe regarding stars. Wishing you all an enjoyable video viewing. And now, please continue to select the video on the left or right side of the screen to join Top V in unraveling other mysteries of the universe. See you in the next videos. Goodbye.